ECSE Credits 2 introduces a few new features, so let's just go over them quickly. All the new features can be found in the General tab, so if we come over to the General tab, the first thing you'll notice that's new is this data format. So comma separated value, that's the old system, and it's still the system I recommend for big projects. But now we have a new system. We have the ECSE System, ECSE Credits Section Elements. If we change over to this new system, you'll see that our file name disappears because we're no longer using the spreadsheet to manage our credits. Instead, we're using this system here. So if we come down, we can see that if we reorder these, we reorder our credits. And if we click on this element, we can come over and have a look. And here you can see programming. So, so whatever we put in here will show up on our credits. We can reorder our names here, add new names, remove names, all of the normal stuff. Just stitching this in, as I didn't mention it, but if you want to create one of the ECSE Credits section elements, you just come over to your project window, right click, create ECSE Credits section element. Then you can just fill in information, put in your roles, and you're good to go from there. So if you choose to not manage your credits through the spreadsheet, you can now do it through here. This is good for smaller projects like game jams, anything where you don't need to constantly be updating the credits. This is a good solution. So yeah. And what is the other new thing? The other new thing is the advanced editing. So if we come down to advanced editing and turn it on, we'll see it opens up this new window. Advanced editing just gives us some options over the canvas and camera, and can be used for VR. So if we change it to like this, and then come back up to the preview, yeah, you'll see it's in a bad position right now, but then we can just come into world space and move it around. So we can use that for positioning the credits in world space. But I recommend just using this version. But yeah, if you have some other use cases, then you can now come into here and play with that. So yeah, pretty simple video, but they're the new features in 2.05. I hope you'll enjoy the new section elements. Definitely a needed feature and something I've been wanting to add for a while. One other thing is that you'll notice that it's not really changing when I go between these two. That's because the data between them is the same. But if I come over and just change this one, then you'll notice that the spreadsheet still says programming where our section element doesn't. So yeah, that's a new tool, and yeah, hope you enjoy.